We live in a world of convenience, but convenience has never been sustainable.
Until now.
NOSU, which stands for no single use,
is a full-sized, vacuum-sealed tumbler with a set of high-grade stainless steel utensils built right into every bottle.
I used to think it was too much effort to be conscious of the environment, to eat healthy. But with NOSU, my healthy and sustainable habits have become effortless. Hey, life's all about balance, right? Look, I get it. Living a sustainable life on the go can get complicated. That's why single-use plastic is everywhere. 40 billion plastic utensils get thrown out every year, on top of 22 billion plastic water bottles that end up in the landfill. NOSU isn't your typical reusable bottle. Does it keep your drinks hot or cold all day long? Of course it does. What? I like my iced coffee hot, but with all the reusable items you're supposed to carry every day, you're bound to forget something, like Karen over here. Don't worry, Karen. I got you. Ever been in a meeting? With our one-swipe drinkability to open or close, you'll never awkwardly interrupt your boss's meeting ever again. Lucky for Kyle here, NOSU has a spill-proof lid. And its simple, easy-to-carry handle allows for breezy transportability wherever your on-the-go heart desires. Have you ever really thought about how many single-use items you use when sitting down for, let's say, a casual lunch with your friends? Half of these items won't even get used. And when germaphobe Jimmy tries to make the sustainable choice, this is what he ends up with.
I hope that's a soap stain.
A recent study shows that 76% of restaurant goers cited dirty silverware as the #1 complaint.
Could I take any trash from
No thanks. I don't have any trash. The great thing is, NOSU is mobile. Its ergonomic design easily fits into most cup holders. It's time to start living the no single-use lifestyle and make your everyday sustainability effortless with NOSU.